Right. Hello everyone. How can we talk about something which started in the past and is still going on in the present? Yes, present perfect, right? We use the present perfect. We'll have a look at 4 words. Let's start with for. We use for when we are asked this question. How long have you been studying English? For example, how long? Now, you started here, let's say, in 2016, now we're in 2018. So you can say, I have been studying English for 2 years. 1 and 2. So you need to count. That's the duration for 2 years. So usually after 4, you have a number. You need to count. 2016, 2017, 2018. 2 years. 2 years. Okay. You could also use since. It's also to express since when, but this time you focus on the starting point, so you don't count. I've been studying English since 2016. Here, since 2016. It means the same thing, but here you don't count. All right, now let's have a look at ever and never. So ever, we use it in questions. When you want to ask about someone's experience, which I represented in or by the suitcase. So I want to know, have you ever, for example, have you ever been to Brazil? I don't know if you have been. Have you ever been to Brazil? Then you open, yes I have, or no, I have never been to Brazil. So just remember, it's the link between the past and the present, expressed with the present perfect. Thank you.